Dense, consistent ground cover and stable soil structure that leave no exposed nesting sites greatly reduce the chance of ant colonies returning. Ants prefer loose, dry, sandy, or bare soil with ready access to food and moisture, so convert those areas to dense mulch and living ground cover to disrupt their nesting choices. Apply a 2 to 3 inch layer of organic mulch around beds and along foundations, keeping it pulled back 1 to 2 inches from building walls to avoid creating a direct bridge while still maintaining coverage. Replace bare, sandy patches with a mix of topsoil and compost. Compact lightly so the soil holds together without becoming waterlogged, which discourages tunneling. Build raised beds and border gardens with defined edges, so root systems and consistent irrigation create cooler, moister microclimates that are unattractive for many ant species. Maintain vigorous plantings and avoid scattered debris or wood piles that offer shelter and water deeply but infrequently to promote plant health without creating dry, loose surface layers. If you spot early ant trails, trace them to any exposed soil zones and remediate those spots first with mulch and soil stabilization rather than immediately applying chemical treatments. Common mistakes include leaving thin or patchy mulch that breaks down into bare spots, which you can fix by replenishing organic mulch and selecting longer-lasting options like shredded bark. Another issue is allowing landscape edges, pavers, or paths to settle and form gaps where ants can nest. Reset and compact edging materials and fill gaps with gravel and soil to remove those crevices. People often ignore moisture patterns and overwater low spots, which create alternating wet and dry conditions that some ants exploit. Regrade low areas. Install simple drainage or move irrigation lines, so watering promotes consistent moisture for plants, but not loose, drying surface soil. We at BigHomeProjects.com connect homeowners with local contractors and let us share community experiences about landscape strategies that work against ants. Our discussion community helps both homeowners and contractors exchange practical tips and find work through shared project posts and neighborhood recommendations.